So here is a new app called Soda Make New Friends. So this is the same developer who built Wink app. Wink app was quite popular, and now yeah, it's also available here. But there is kind of a bit of a confusion, to be honest. Like, is this app gonna completely replace the Wink app or anything? But yeah, here you see that the old Wink is back, and then you can just redeem the offer. 1 week free, then $9.99 per month. But okay, you just decide if you wanna do that, and then just sign in with Apple, and then yeah, you will just see this app. So let's see. There is a lot of confusion recently. Like, this Soda app keeps changing, but basically here it is. Swipe right on this profile, and then you can just make friends like that, and then just say hi, send messages. Then you can just get verified. Then you just have all the requests. Then you see a random video chat, and then you can just see chats, and then yeah, so then you just see a Wink score, friends. If you wanna, you can just upgrade to have unlimited swiping, unlimited rewinds, unlimited lock requests, verified only search, ad free, more, make more friends. And then this is the settings, search preferences. You can see it set up who you want to meet, which age, login method. And then if you don't like the app, you can just tap delete account in the bottom. So yeah, that's just what it is. Hope yeah, and then it just says Wink score. Wink score shows how active you are in the community. Earn points by messaging and making calls. And yeah, then you also see friends. You can, let's see if you can just search. No, this is just your active friends here. So yeah, this is kind of an app in development right now, but at least a lot of people are happy that this Soda app now looks more similar to the old Wink app. And then you need to verify your profile. So yeah, then you'll just need to be asked to match a few poses to prove you're a human. And yeah, that's that.